Hello world, hello everyone. Eating today. Welcome to my channel. Please like, comments, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Eating for my lunch or dinner or breakfast. How is everyone? How is the world? This is cornbread, cheesecake. This is cotton blues and broccoli soup. And this one I can't remember. Anyway, everyone, thank you for watching. Please like, comments, and thank you for subscribing. I hope you enjoy watching. Thank you so much. We will see you again the next video. Have a good day. Bye for now. God bless everyone.